Okay, Allison is about to eat a warhead. Hey, it's open on the other side, smart one.
I know, but it's not like...
She can't get the package to open. Okay, Anna. Alright. Okay.
Almost. Oh, I got it.
Okay, she got the warhead open finally. Okay, here we go. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Let's see your facial expressions.
It's also sour.
It hits you.
Sour.
How can you resist that face? Okay, man, she's single.
Alright, it's done. Okay. I'm gonna stick with my gum. I mean, that's video here.
Was that sour, Allison?
Yeah, but wasn't as sour as the first one.
Why are you still doing that with your face?
Because it just had the cheese, it was like, right. It's over.
What do you have in your mouth right now?
Gum and a warhead.
Well, that's great. Say gummy warhead 5 times in a row.
Gummy warhead, gummy warhead, gummy warhead, gummy warhead, gummy warhead.
That's great.